Hey, Team Numis Canada. Hello, coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. And today we have a gift that I received for the holiday season and a mint mail call. And we'll get into both of those right after this. Welcome back. Well, let's get into it right away. And because it's been a crazy schedule for me, and as a result, I haven't had a chance to show you what I got for the holiday season yet. And I received this from my sister, which is the 2024 Year of the Dragon coin. Now, you may recall that I reviewed this as a 2024 coin earlier in a previous video where Queen Elizabeth was on the reverse. Now we know that happened because this was issued in 2023, but it's a 2024 dated coin. They do them in advance for the Chinese New Year's because it appears so early in the winter, and it gives them a chance to sell a lot of them. And I received this from my sister, and thank you, Lori, for this. This is a wonderful gift, and I know we've seen it, and I'll give you a picture of this one. And of course, it comes in this little easel so that you can stand it up. It has an easel so that it goes together, and is a lovely little keepsake. It also has an envelope for mailing it, and I'm not sure what this is. Oh, that's the instructions for how to fold the easel and how to put it in the envelope. There's an envelope. You keep it flat, and then you can either mail it or give it as a gift like this to someone, which this was wrapped up for me in holiday paper by my sister, and thank you, Lori. That was a lovely gift. Now, I'm going to leave it out so that we'll show in the final video. And this is from the US Mint, and it is the result of me not canceling my subscription when I should have. I was quite surprised that I had done that, but actually flip it over and do the cut. And I see the obligatory paperwork right away. So I'm going to just pull it, shake that out, and here we go. And of course, the US Mint is still using plastic bubble wrap. Canada uses paper, but they also use cardboard boxes instead of the clamshells that Canada uses. And what this is the 20, I'll get rid of this bubble wrap. And this is, I got this on subscription, and it is a $2024 American Eagle, and of course you've probably seen lots of these on YouTube already, but this one's mine. This one proof, 3/9 silver, 1.598 inches across, or 40.6 millimeters. Silver weight is 1 troy ounce. The edge is reeded, and this is from the West Point Mint. And of course, I'll let you pause this and read that if you want. And that as well. Ventress C. Gibson, Director of the United States Mint. And I'm going to stand corrected. I did get a clamshell. My goodness. They have, this one's not just in a box, it's in a clamshell. I think this is the first one I got in a clamshell. And here we go. Yes, that's the Weinman logo. That's always confusing. People often mistake that for the West Point Mint when it's not. On this side, it is the Weinman logo who designed this particular image. And we flip it over, and there is the West Point logo. And of course, I'll give you photographs of this. So this is a very short video. I thank you for watching and hope to see you again soon. Bye for now.
And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.
For the second time in 2 days. We battled distance through the years, weekend flights and talk all nights, growing closer, sharing fears. I took you to the mountaintop and bent the knee when we got off. You were smiling.